Emory-Outdoors here, and I thought I would just do a really quick walkthrough on my kayak. Made quite a few changes to it since I've gotten it, so bought a lot of gear. So we'll start right up here at the bow. I've got something exciting to share. After months of shooting photos on and around the water, my very first Emory-Outdoors 2026 calendar is finally here. Every photo in this calendar was taken by me while kayaking, fishing, and exploring the outdoors, wildlife, rivers, and some of my favorite places around the southeast. The calendars are printed in limited numbers and ready to ship here in the US. They're priced at $18.60 plus shipping, and it's a great way to support the channel while also getting a piece of the adventures for your home, office, or as a holiday gift. Check the link in the description to grab yours today, and if you get one, send me a photo of it hanging up. I'd love to see it. Thank you. So at the bow, I really haven't done anything. I've got a battery inside the bin, rain gear, first aid kit, little spare parts kit, and then I've got a little captain's bridge here, catch captain's bridge, and right now I've got my Insta360, the X5 mounted on it. I really like that angle, and it's on a selfie stick, so I can raise it up real quick or lower it. And I like to keep my paddle right here on the side, and that way if I need it I can just grab it really easy. And then I've got a stakeout pole because I do a lot of shallow water stuff. Today was the first time that I went down to the Buckman, and it was pretty rough when I started, but as I got up close to the bridge was knocking down the waves. So, it was nice. So I've got a little storage bin here with two little tackle boxes in it, and I've got some gear in there. And I slide some stuff under the seat. The rain dry bag, I put my camera and a camera lens in it. And then I've got the Garmin 9SV, and it's got the side scan sonar on it, which today was the first day I used it, so it's a learning process. I've got two rod holders, one on each side, and they come on and off really easy. And then I've got just some stuff stored behind the seat right now, my life jacket. I've got a little floating bait bucket thing. I didn't catch any bait today, so didn't put it in the water. Then I've got 4 rods with me, and I've got them rigged with different things, so you can just grab a rod. I've also got the YakAttack, the 13x16 box, and I've got stuff stored in that. Some more tackle and some camera stuff. I really like that box. I'm going to do a video about that too, but then I'll take some drinks, some Gatorade, stuff like that out on the water, snack. So I just, have my Yeti. Of course, I keep it strapped down, but I was just in it because I got a drink. The Hobie paddle has a handle that you can put on, and usually, I paddled, I don't know, 100 feet back in once I got in shallow water. So here's the other half of the paddle if I have to paddle a further distance. And then I've got a GoPro mounted on a YakAttack boom pole thing for over the shoulder shots. So anyway, that's a little quick walk around of my boat. I'm really liking the boat. It goes through the water real well. I was doing 3 knots against 12 to 15 knots of breeze today, so that was nice. It was fairly easy to maintain. I did it all the way from here all the way down to the boat, which is it's got to be a mile and a half. So paddled a little bit. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button, please.